Don't toss it. Restore your old lipstick. Got an old lipstick that's melted or gone too soft to use? Don't throw it out just yet. Here's an easy trick to bring it back to life. First, take the lipstick out and scoop it into a small glass jar. Now, carefully melt it down. Either pop it in the microwave for a few seconds or use an induction stove until it's fully melted. Once it's nice and smooth, pour it back into its original container. To set it, just place it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. And voila, your lipstick is as good as new. Try it out and enjoy your restored lipstick.